Welcome to Cybersecurity 101, learning how to keep your data safe. In this video, we will explore the basics of cybersecurity and provide you with actionable tips for protecting your personal information. Whether you are an individual looking to protect your social media accounts, or a business owner looking to secure your sensitive data, this guide is for you. Common cyber threats. Before we start discussing how to protect your data, it's important to understand the different types of cybersecurity threats that you may encounter. These can include, but are not limited to, malware. Malware is a type of software that is designed to harm your computer, steal your personal information, or cause damage to your system. Viruses, trojans, and spyware are all examples of malware. Phishing. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where an attacker will send fraudulent emails or make fake websites to trick you into revealing your personal information, such as passwords and financial details. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts your files and demands a ransom payment in exchange for the decryption key. Victims of ransomware attacks are often left with no choice but to pay the ransom or risk losing their data permanently. Social engineering. Social engineering is a tactic used by attackers to gain access to your personal information by exploiting your trust. Attackers may use phone calls, emails, or messages to manipulate you into revealing sensitive information. Best practices for data security. Now that you know the different types of cybersecurity threats, let's discuss the best practices for keeping your data safe. Use strong passwords. One of the easiest ways to protect your data is by using strong passwords. A strong password is a complex combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Keep software up to date. Hackers often exploit security vulnerabilities in outdated software to gain access to your system. To prevent this, it's important to keep all of your software up to date, including operating systems, antivirus programs, and web browser. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by requiring a second form of authentication, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Be careful with personal information on social media. Social media platforms can be a goldmine for attackers looking to steal personal information. To protect yourself, be careful with the information you share online and adjust your privacy settings to limit who can see your posts. Use a virtual private network, VPN. A virtual private network, or VPN, creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet, protecting your data from prying eyes. Congratulations on completing Cybersecurity 101, learning how to keep your data safe. By understanding the different types of cybersecurity threats and implementing best practices for data security, you can protect yourself and your sensitive information online. Remember to stay vigilant and stay informed about the latest cybersecurity developments. Thank you for watching.